Hi, I'm Kalinda. I'm a certified reflexology therapist and teacher licensed with the Reflexology Association of Canada. And today I am talking to you about the foot reflexology course. Now, if you are looking for a course that teaches you how to do reflexology and you're wanting to learn in your own pace because you don't want to travel to Regina, you don't want to have to cram it into your busy schedule, this course has been designed like taking the actual certification course, the full certification course on your own schedule. Now, it's broken into two parts. There's core, where you're going to learn the theory, and there's the practical, where you learn the method. Good news, both are combined into this course, so you don't need to take two separate ones in order to get certified. I don't like not having everything that you need in one spot, so I designed it specifically for that. Now, once you get certified, this course is the course that you need in order to be able to reach what we call RCRT status. That's Registered Canadian Reflexology Therapist. The reason that's important is because it qualifies you in order to take your certificate and challenge the national board exam with the Reflexology Association of Canada, so that when you become an RCRT, your receipts are recognized by group plans. So if you're looking for a legitimate foot course that is going to help you give clients receipts where they can get reimbursed for their sessions, this course has been designed for that. The next thing that's important to know is I teach this course right across Canada. How do I do that? Well, I've set it up so it's like taking in-person training, only it's done online. The reason I did that is because there's people that don't want to fly to Regina, Saskatchewan and have the extra travel expenses in order to take the training. So I can't get to you if you can't get to me. You see what I mean? And then the other thing that's really important is scheduling conflicts. So if you have a busy schedule, not only would you have to get to Regina, but you would have to get to Regina and make sure it coincides with your schedule. And when I used to teach it throughout different times of the year and set in-person classes, there were so many people missing out because it just didn't work with their schedule, right? So I did set it up so it's like taking the entire training in person with me, but you can access all the training at your own pace. And so you don't feel like you're drinking from a fire hose, because when I did teach the course live, people would come and they would learn for the entire weekend. If I didn't have all the resources online, you would literally have to remember everything in this manual, everything that I said in one weekend, and you got a year to get certified. It's too overwhelming. So I opted in for having the videos that you could watch over and over and over and over and over and over and over again until you get it. And then you are more comfortable. Plus, I give you a ton of resources. So it's my goal is to help you succeed, right? And if you do that, then you can help other people feel good. Because isn't that the reason you're looking at taking the course anyway? Okay, so first steps first, what you would do is you would register for the foot reflexology course, which includes the core training and the practical training. And then I would actually send you this manual. So this manual, a workbook, a sequence sheet, and a chart. You get the physical things in the mail, and so that you have the proper materials to work with. Now, I offer live Q&As, and so that once a month you can join a live Q&A and get all your questions answered if that's something that you need. There's also a Facebook group. You join the Facebook group. There's over 140 students in there, and and certified therapists. So you're never alone. You can always connect with people from across the country, and you can ask questions, and we celebrate your wins. And so reflexology, when it's just you and the clients, sometimes it can feel pretty lonely, but you're never alone because there's a whole community there to support you. The other thing that's important is I've got examiners across the country. So with those examiners, what I can do is I can connect with them so you can do the practical session in person. The reason that's important is because your practical exam, your final exam, has to be done live in person in order to be valid. So if you want to be an RCRT, if you just want to be a reflexology therapist and you're not worried about client receipts, online with me is good enough. But if you want the course to be considered for RCRT status, you have to do your final exam live. Now, your written exam is going to be live with me online. Your mandatory review is going to be live with me online because I need to know that you know what you're doing. But 100%, if you want to have RCRT status, you have to do your practical exam live. Now, if you got any questions at all, just let me know and we can hop on a Zoom call. I do ask that you use the booking link because I still have a clinic. So I am with clients a lot of times, and having a ringing phone isn't great when I'm trying to serve my reflexology clients. So if you can please find a time that works, we can schedule it into my calendar at a time where I can focus on answering your questions, and I'll be happy to speak with you. Sound good? I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye for now.